Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to rearrange your sections in your Etsy shop, and this is something that you should know how to do just so that you can arrange things the way that you like them. I've seen some people say that it's important to arrange them in the order of the length or alphabetically. You can arrange them however you want to. For me, I put my wafer paper items at the top and then the silicone molds kind of go together. So I have them arranged by category, but you can arrange them however you want to. In order to do this, you need to go to your listing manager, which you get to by going into the shop dashboard and then clicking on listings. It will take you to the listing manager here. And this is where you can edit things and change things around and copy things and that kind of stuff. Go over here to the right. Now I'm on desktop. I don't know how this works on the app. I am going to be writing a blog post about this, so I will put the app in the blog post and you can go check that out there. But in order to change your sections, you go over here, and if the drop down will just show you what you have, and then you can click manage, and that will open up this little menu, and you can change your sections. You can edit them by clicking on the little pencil icon, or you can go down here and add a section if you want to. You can have 20 sections total. If you want to move some, you can grab this little cross and move it up, and then you can move this back down, however you want to do it. And this one, I don't have anything in, so I'm just going to click edit, and I'm going to delete that section. So I'm going to delete it. If you want to rename something, here's another one I can delete. Let's just rename this just to fake cakes, just for argument's sake, and click Save Changes. And there it just has that. So that's going to show up on my desktop now, but I will go ahead and delete this because I don't have anything in that section. Now, the one good thing about this is that it will tell you if it doesn't have anything, and just click out of there. If you go down here, to the sections in the drop down here, it'll show you if you have any listings that are not in a section, and that's important. Everything should be in a section just so that customers can find it, because otherwise they're going to be clicking on the sections and they won't be able to find it because it's not in a section. Now, the other thing to know is that when you have items on sale, Etsy automatically creates an on sale section, and that's not something that you edit. That's not something that you've created. It's automatically created right up here at the top. It'll be the first one that shows up, and that will show up in your shop. So it'll show up right up at the top here, and that is not something you need to worry about. So it'll have the sale icon, but then they also create a section that says on sale. And if you have every single thing in your shop on sale, it'll say on sale, then the same number as right here. So it's a little redundant, but that's what Etsy does. And that's basically the shop sections. And you do need to give these names that are descriptive of what's in the section. Don't be cute. Don't put in emojis. Don't put in lots of symbols and that kind of thing. Every shop section has its own URL. So if you click on this, you can actually give that link and send it to a customer, and they can go to that section directly and shop through that section. And I've done that with customers before who said, do you have these butterflies in green? And I will just click the whole thing and I'll send it to them, and they can just go directly to the section. All right, so leave me any questions if you have them. I will talk to you later.